Okay, I gotta see the snake on my channel here. What's up? Look at that snake. Oh, aren't you cute? Aren't you cute? Get some time there. Hey, say hello. Say hello. Hello. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Thank you.
That keeps the guys off of her. Like, what's up? Oh, never mind.
Exactly.
Never mind. Never mind. You're taken. Okay. Here's my.
Yes, sir.
That's my channel. Check me out. By the way, I love your shirt, man. I love your shirt. I'm gonna start. You know what? I'm gonna start getting smaller shirts so I can look.
Yeah, cause I'm fat under here, but it's just
go like so. The thing, your key is to get a smaller shirt so you look bigger.
Exactly.
Oh, okay, you know I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna have to do that, bro.
You have to, man.
And this tire's pregnant. That tire's pregnant. That tire's pregnant. It looks like one of those bikes you see at Walmart with the big fat wheels. And they just said, you know what, we'll make a bike out of that. Okay, awesome.
The guys did, last time we demoed the guys at Myrtle Beach.
Yeah.
They were all over this. Like, we can take it on the beach.
Oh,
We can
yeah.
take it with their friends.
I was just thinking about that.
You
It's
can ride
good
this
to
all
say
over
it,
the place.
Mike.
It's actually, it's a lot of fun. If you were going to tailgate, if you were going to go to a football game or whatever, put it in the back of the truck.
Oh, that's good.
Better
Yeah.
than a scooter, but you know.
Yeah, and then you got this nice fat ass seat.
Hey, you want to be able to take 2 people?
Wow.
It's $4 grand,
Now, I would love to have the M109. Look at that. The Boulevard.
You wear me down. My actions won't be
Looks good on you. Looks real good on you. Looks real nice. The handlebars are all nice up, and that's the type of bike you just ride wherever you want to. Well, you could. Well, you could also actually lower the forks down, like lower it down. You can do that too. Instead of having to do all that, you just lower the forks down just a little bit. Yeah. But you still got plenty of room to raise it here, so I mean, I would do that instead of doing all that work and stuff like that. Plus, it would give it a much more, a little bit of aggressive style. So, yeah. And by the way, I don't work here. Pull the trigger on that. You know what I'm gonna say? I ain't gonna lie, I'll be like,
Don't do it.
Fat guy in a little coat. Fat guy in a little coat.
Don't.
Fat guy in a little coat. Fat guy in a little coat.
Take it off, dickhead. I'm serious.
Richard, what's happening?
I ain't gonna lie, I'll be like, big guy and little bike.
I've seen worse.
I've seen worse, yes. I've actually seen worse, but I couldn't do it. But they're fun to play on, though. other, man. See, look, there's a, you can demo ride this on that right there if you want to. $2,000, that's a lot of money for a small bike though. I mean, I get a full bike for this much.
Yeah, so I can't really play.
Why are you getting a Grom? Why would you want even something like that?
I'm trying.
Put the kickstand down first.
Yeah, I was about to
Please
say,
put the kickstand down.
Jeez.
Or you know what they do? They put you right in that office and start doing paperwork.
Dude, he almost did that on my R6.
I think the seats wise,
Yeah.
because I can, but it's like I have to squeeze my legs together to do it.
Well, no, just wear some shoes with soles, thicker soles. That'll help
Yep.
you. You'll do that.
I am pretty confident.
You gotta do dumb shit.
Well, yeah, when
It's the hooligan bike.
when you're like 5'2" and like 150, but when you're like 280 and like 6'3", you know, there's not really much I can do hooligan on there.
That's true.
Exactly. How did you run into that guy right there?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. This is hard.
Not paying attention in a group ride.
Okay.
And
Was he in front of you?
he was in front.
Okay.
And I was going too fast in a corner
Uh huh.
that I didn't know.
Okay.
And there was a really sharp left turn at the end of that right corner.
Uh-huh.
It was an actual turn. We were turning left.
And me, I was going straight. So I was going through whoever was in front of me.
Okay, and it happened to only be him.
It happened to be him. Which is fine because it was my friend, but it was also not fine.
But you know, there are certain things in life that you don't want to test loyalty in with friends. Like, for instance, if you're in a car and your friend has drugs, will he say it's his? You know, you never know. Getting in an accident where you run into your friend and your friend's like, hey, my bad, that's it.
Oh, I'll tell you what made it worse though. After he went down, he
He had no
said-
insurance?
No.
Okay, all right.
He-
that makes it worse.
We're on the Cena, and he says, "Damn it, Josh." Don't blame me on that. Oh, my license plate's gone. Talking about me. Like it was my fault.
It wasn't.
Kinda
But
made
it was
me
the
mad.
first thing that came out.
But you didn't die.
No.
Everything, how much the damage was on it?
All the plastics on one side.
How fast were you going?
Probably.
Oh yeah, here, yeah.
He was about 40.
Whoa.
I was going 25. Because everybody's about to take a left turn.
So let me guess, all group rides, he's either in the back or he does this, or he's this. Hey, we're going to here, you leave now.
Yeah.
And by the time we'll catch up to you, you know what I'm saying, give you all the time in the world.
See, that was his first group ride too.
Look, I'm gonna tell y'all a story, okay? I had the same kind of experience of a guy I just met. We had a group ride, went to Blood Mountain. I don't know why he just learned how to ride, why I thought it was a good idea for him to go. That was my bad. We get up there, we ride up, we ride down, and he hits his back brakes and slides, and he goes down. And the bad thing about it, his shifter went out, his shifter side. So, I'm going to admit, I rode him back all the way from Blood Mountain to Kennesaw on the back of my bike so he can go get his truck to go get his bike.
Nuts to butts.
But I had to because I felt like I'm the one who invited him. I felt like he was my responsibility, so I had to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, at least we didn't have to do that.
It's been really cool meeting up people and stuff like that. And, you know, getting to know more and more about this motovlog life.
Damn,
Okay. Last year I said something I'm tired of. It's kind of like a delayed tired. And I was like, tired. I don't know what he meant. It's definitely tired. He is definitely a tired guy. And plugs and signatures. Yeah. Plugs and signatures. Okay, man. So every year you're doing this thing, man, where you build a motorcycle. We read comments on your channel. They're there for advice. They're there for the community. Advice is questions. Advice is questions. So what are we giving away this year? Season 3 is going to be a custom box. Did you just reveal something? No, it's a bomber. Season 1, episode 1. Season 3, episode 1. No. Wait, I'm so bad. Y'all are going to have to kill me right now because I didn't watch the last. I don't even know who won the mic or somebody wanted it. We gave it away. If you did, Season 2 is not giving away yet because of technical difficulties. But we're on that process to make that happen. But in the meantime, look, okay, I just want to tell you this. I know you're married, okay? I have a broken heart. You think we can fix that? No. Okay, all right, look, I can barely fix something. Baby, you told me I could come to Atlanta to get my heart fixed. Chase says he can't fix it. I'm so sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, Chase on 2 wheels with his 2018 Atlanta Motovlogger meet. Another success in my eyes. I look forward to next year. Awesome. I look forward to next year too. Thanks for the pleasure, bro. Pleasure.
Doesn't Heather have a sister?
Hey, good job, Chase.
You have a sister?
I could have got you.
Oh, never mind then.
You,
I tried.
You freaked me out because I thought, I just
I had a great time. Appreciate it. Appreciate it for not being the butthead.
What side am I?
Glad you had a good time.
Oh, awesome that time.
Wait. Oh wait, Heather, you're on it? Oh my god, I just realized that. I thought you were standing next to it.
Chase,
Thanks, man.
for hanging out with me.
I know I sound tired.
I know you are tired, man.
No,
That's
100%.
But you did a good job, man.
I appreciate it.
I did felt you cheated me out of the ride, but that's okay.
That's, you know what? I'll make it up in the dual vlog.
Yes. Oh, you heard that.
Yeah, I told you. We
You
need
said
a
that.
video.
Okay,
you
you
were
said
like,
that.
we got people here.
Well,
And I was like,
yeah, you know what? I need to with you.
yeah, I'm
You're the guy.
elusive.
Can we get a picture of me, you, and Heather?
Yeah, I think that's possible.
Take a picture.